Verifying serial numbers and material batch integrity now.
Looks good. All specs match the manifest.
Hydraulic pressure steady at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed. Containment integrity is green.
Confirmed. 0 defects on the fuselage.
Check the routing on the starboard side near the titanium frame.
It's clear. The ultrasonic signature is nominal.
We are good to proceed with the cut path verification. The measurement reads 25.003.
Confirmed. The laser alignment is perfect.
A specialized magnetic robotic handler carefully selects and lifts a high-grade titanium alloy billet. The raw... The shielding density is exactly as specified for the Su-27UB conversion.
Verified. The termination sequence is complete.
The thermal damage zone is minimal, well within acceptable tolerances for welding.
Immediately after the fusion welding is complete, specialized robotic induction coils initiate process A.
This rigorous pressure test verifies the strength of the newly welded titanium structure, simulating extreme aerodynamic stress.
With With the structural work of Process A now stabilized, the fuselage is prepared for the specialized control duplication systems and wiring harnesses of Process B.
Reading consistent at 120 microns.
Verified. Process A is complete.
This conduit connects directly to the Process B controls, correct?
Affirmative. Routing it around the hydraulic line here.
The automated termination is complete. Check the diagnostics.
Confirmed. All signals pass integrity testing. Ready for integration.
Okay, the dampeners are secured.
Connecting the main power now. Stand by for the self-test sequence.
Check sequence B4.
Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing at 500 psi.
Run the diagnostic on the rear conduit.
The tautness is exactly per specifications.
Good. The duplicated controls are fully calibrated.
Hear that? That's the military grade seal.
All harnesses secured to the distribution bus.
Rear control stick engaged. Readout confirms synchronization is within parameters. Fine-tuning complete.
Okay, ease it down slowly. We have clearance on the port side.
Confirmed. Starboard is clear, looks aligned.
Systems check complete. All components integrated. Final checklist reviewed. Functionality confirmed.
Check the sensor array coverage on the starboard side.
Looks good. The tolerances are within spec for the blue application. Reading at 6.2 mils on the starboard side.
That aligns with the specs for the lengthened section. Confirming coverage is consistent.
Flight control system, status check complete. All systems fully operational.
Check the alignment on the starboard side panel.
Confirmed. Everything is within tolerance.
Finalizing the pre-fueling inspection now.
Conversion plug secure. Internal inspection complete.
Received and logged. Green for flight readiness.
Flight controls checked. Duplication engaged. Ready for takeoff.
Confirmed. Taking the runway.
Afterburners engaged. Check gauges. Maintain centerline.
Roger that. Maintaining centerline. Airspeed approaching rotation.
Holding 9 Gs. Controls responding normally.
Confirmed. Sustained input feels solid. Process A successful.
Initiating pitch correction. Note the instantaneous system response on the primary display.
This is the Su-27UB trainer two-seat conversion. Note the lengthened cockpit, allowing the...
Activating scenario. Engine flame out on 1.
Acknowledged.
Running emergency checklist.
Airspeed stabilizing. Flaps at 20.
Confirmed. Looking good on glide path. Continue.
Confirming full control duplication.
Read you clearly on the intercom. Hold short of the hangar line. We'll review the approach data.
Everything checked out beautifully. The duplication system is fully mission capable.
Confirmed. We show all parameters nominal. Well done, sir.
Flaps up. Spoilers retracted.
Check. Systems green.